We'll guide you through how to make a tick box inside of the table in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your browser so you can get to the right site. Once it loads, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the workspace tool you want to use, which in this case is Notion. After you type it in, press Enter to bring up the search results. Then look through the list that shows up. From that list, choose the first option that appears, since that one usually leads to the official page. When the site opens, log in with your account, or sign in if you do not have one yet. After you get into your workspace, look at the private section on the side and click the plus button to make a new page. When the new page opens, give it a title that fits what you plan to use it for so it is easy to find later. Inside that page, type the command /data so the menu for database options will appear. When the list shows up, pick the table view option to add a table to your page. Once the table is created, rename the database so it matches the purpose of the page. After that, click the Add Property button to create a new property and choose the type that fits your need. For the first example, select the Date property. Then click Add Property again so you can add another one, and this time choose the checkbox option. When the new fields appear, rename the table properties one by one so they match your setup. For instance, you can rename the Name property to To-Do List. Then rename the Date property to Due Date. You can also rename the checkbox property in a way that helps you understand its use. After that, adjust the column sizes until everything looks neat and easy to read. When you are ready to fill it in, start adding new pages inside the table by clicking the New Page button. Give each entry a name and fill in the content you want to place inside the table. Set the right date for each entry, and when you finish, you can use the checkboxes to mark the tasks that are done. This setup gives you a simple way to track work, stay on task, and keep your page tidy as you update it over time each and every day.